Hey everyone, welcome back to TechVibe Nexus. Today, I'm sharing some effective strategies to promote your YouTube channel on social media. Let's jump right in. First things first, choose the right platforms. Not all social media channels are created equal. Focus on platforms where your target audience hangs out. Whether it's Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or TikTok, pick a couple that align with your content style. Next, create engaging content. Share snippets or teasers of your YouTube videos on social media. Use eye-catching visuals and compelling captions to draw people in. Remember, the goal is to spark curiosity and encourage viewers to click through to your channel. Step 3. Utilize hashtags. Hashtags can help increase the visibility of your posts. Research popular hashtags related to your niche and include them in your posts. This will help you reach a broader audience and attract new viewers. Don't forget to engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask questions, and encourage discussions. Building a community around your content will not only keep your current viewers engaged but also attract new ones through word of mouth. Finally, consider collaborating with other creators. Partnering with influencers or fellow YouTubers can expose your channel to their audience. It's a win-win situation that can lead to increased visibility and subscribers for both parties. So, there you have it, folks. Follow these tips to promote your YouTube channel on social media and watch your channel grow. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Until next time, stay with TechVibe Nexus.